Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. If you want to send snaps from your camera roll as normal snaps, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, it only takes a minute to sign up and create a new account so you can get started. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom of the screen for the search bar. Tap on it and type in Media Upload. A Snapchat will show you several community-created lenses designed to let you bring in media from your phone's gallery. Browse through the options and pick the lens you prefer. When you select a lens, it will open the lens interface, letting you choose a picture or video directly from your gallery. After selecting your media, it will appear on the screen as if you just took it with the Snapchat camera. Your uploaded media will look like a fresh snap rather than a saved memory. From here, you can edit it just like a normal snap. When you are satisfied with your snap, tap the shutter button, and Snapchat will process it as a brand new snap. Finally, tap the send arrow, choose your friends or story, and send it. When someone will open it, it will get opened like a normal snap. Your snap will go out without the from camera roll or media upload tag, making it appear like you just captured it in real time. With this method, you can share older photos or videos on Snapchat while keeping them looking fresh, authentic, and ready to engage your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.